Hello Wisdomers, and welcome to the very first session of our HTML5 and CSS3 course. Now, since this course is the foundational entry point into the Digital Product Architect Specialization, we really need to first define exactly who this course is designed for. So do you have this course in your academic curriculum, and maybe you're wishing to achieve that perfect high score? Or maybe you have essentially zero knowledge in web development, but you have this burning desire to create a web application or a mobile app from scratch? Or are you looking to master full-stack development to actually land your first job? If that sounds like you, well, you are at the right place. And honestly, this course is absolutely meant for you. Because we've engineered this course with such great detail that even if you have zero knowledge in web and mobile development, you can easily grab these concepts from the ground up. That being said, let's also understand who this course is not meant for. Are you already a working full-stack professional? In that case, honestly, our detailed explanations might make you feel a bit, dragging, because we go deep. So let's zoom out a bit. At the start, we said that this course is part of the Digital Product Architect Specialization. But, what is the actual objective of this specialization? And where does this course stand in that bigger picture? First, let's start with the objective. You see, this specialization has nearly 15 plus courses, and the objective here is to make you a systems thinker. Someone who understands the entire value chain, right from the user's first interaction on their device to the database transaction deep in the cloud. Now, let's understand the second part. Where does this course fit in? Basically, we have divided all 15 courses into 3 groups. These are your common foundational courses. We have 5 courses here. And the course you're watching right now is the first one. It's the bedrock of this entire specialization. In the second group, we have 4 courses. And here, you actually have a choice. You can choose your track of interest, or you can choose both. We have Track A, focusing on web performance and advanced architecture, and Track B, covering mobile paradigms and cross-platform development with Flutter. Coming to our third group, we have 6 courses here. And these courses form the backbone of the transition from just being an application developer to a true system architect. If you complete all these 15 courses, you can confidently take a product from literally a napkin sketch to a globally scaled production-grade service. And the best part? You can learn all these 15 full courses from our YouTube channel for free. Yes, absolutely free. The link for the roadmap is in the description below. So, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, just so you don't miss any updates from us. Also, you can learn the same course from our Learning Agent app, where you can attempt our quizzes and programming assignments in a proper sequence. That link is also provided below. So that's it for this video. In our next class, we finally start our course with the introduction to HTML. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next class.